Well, what's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, it's been a while since I posted. Your girl is back, and I am excited. It is 2024. I hope everybody had a good start to this 2024. I know I did, because you know what? I'm alive, but everybody in my house was sick. The guys were sick. I was the last one to get sick. And so, like, these videos that I'm posting, they should have been done couple of days ago, but I had to get my household in order. I had to get everybody back up and running. So that's what that is. But I'm back, and I'm gonna be doing something different this year. Something I should have done a long time ago, but I really, my mind was in other places. I really didn't think about it too much. But I'm gonna be working on budgeting this year, because I realized towards the end of 2023 that when I started to pay more attention to my spending, where my money was going, I was able to keep more money in my bank account. It wasn't a lot, I ain't gonna hold you, but it was more, it was more than I had. And so I realized that when I wrote things down, kept track of, when my bills were being taken out of my account and everything like that, it made it a lot easier for me. And so I'm going to be going a little bit more deeper into budgeting. I have this planner going for me right here. Now, before I get into my planner, I'm going to introduce y'all to my little namaste baby. Look at this. Now, this design I got out of Canva, and I cut it out in my Cricut. So I keep this in my creative space over there. And granted, it took me a long time because it was a lot of weeding that I had to do. I still appreciate it. I love it. So I'm going to put it over here out of camera view. Now, the next two things I'm going to show y'all is my little book bags I made. I got the designs from Cricut, okay, Design Space. They give you the instructions. But one lady, this bag, her instructions was on YouTube. And this lady, her instructions were on Facebook. So I kind of removed myself from social media. So I had to, put it together from looking at the picture, and I still missed the side pockets, but whatever, that's neither here nor there. So I like my little book bags that I made. And I think this is where I'm gonna keep my loose cash until I'm ready to, stuff my envelopes. So that's that. Now, yeah, I went to the Dollar Tree. I'm like, let me go to the Dollar Tree, see if I could find me a small calculator. I'm thinking I'm going to go in there, I'm going to find me a nice, small, cute calculator. Nope, this is what they had. When I got to the register, the guy was like, I know you were looking for something small. I was like, yes. But this is what they had, $1.25, and that's what it's going to be. Now, here it is. Let me just move those to the side. So this is my budget and planner. Now, like it says, getting it together 2024. I created the planner in Canva. Take my clips off. But the ladies of my planner I created in Midjourney. Now, if you don't know what Midjourney is an AI image creator. And so I love Midjourney. So I created this in Midjourney, her in Midjourney. So I'm going to just go through my budget and planner and show you guys what it's about. My little Dollar Tree pen. I thought it was cute. All right, so getting it together 2024. This is the lady of the cover. So what I did also, I made these envelopes. So this is where I'm going to be. Once I, take my loose cash out of my bags, I'm going to be stuffing my envelopes. So I have an emergency fund. I have a 1 month of bills. I have personal savings. I have family fun. And then this envelope is for my daughter. Okay. My daughter is in college, and this is another thing I should have thought of a long time ago. But like I said, my mind, was in a different space. But I would love to, start putting money to the side for her for when she graduates. Whatever I can, help her with, That's what I would like to do. So that you say it says now for some reason, before I get into that, for some reason I cut this out vinyl. Maybe I should have like scruffed it up a little bit. It just doesn't want to stick. So I'm gonna have to do this over. But if you can see it, because I know it's a little bit shiny, it says congratulations. And so I made that for her. So whatever I can, put to the side for her for when she graduates, I'm going to be happy with that. So these are my envelopes. I got a bunch of craft paper. I decided, let me just make some envelopes from my craft paper. And that's exactly what I did. So I'm just going to use that. I'm going to just use what I have, right? So that's that. So we have 1 month of bills. 1 month of bills, and everyone, they have its own envelope. So we got 1 month of bills. Yeah, sort of 2025 grad. Personal savings has its own envelope, but that's for me. Okay. Now these I got out of Canva. Okay, I just changed the color and everything. Now I have school supplies. Some of these I don't know if I'm gonna use, but I made it for school supplies. I don't have an envelope for school supplies, but we're gonna still keep it in there. Family fun. Okay, we got family fun. Now this is like we want to go out to eat. We want to go. I would love to do that mini golf or whatever it's called, top golf, or whatever we decide to do as a family. So that has its own. Birthdays, I didn't make a folder for that because I'm not too sure. Vacation, I didn't make a folder, an envelope for that because I'm not too sure about that either right now. And I made one for miscellaneous. I don't have one, but I got emergency fund, so that might just be what that is. So, you know. Now, here's January. Hopefully y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see. All right, so this is the calendar. I just got it out of Canva, like I said. And so I changed the font, I fixed the numbers because this it was a calendar for 2023, I believe. And then I put my ladies in the back. Right. So every calendar has a budget sheet. Now for the budget sheet, I have my housing expense, I have my transportation, car payment, gas, car insurance, and things of that nature. My personal care for myself. This year, I would love to work on, self care for myself. I used to do that, I used to, work on my skincare, which I haven't done in a while. Get myself facials, chemical peels. I used to do my hair. Y'all, if y'all see me, my hair's not even done. I had many things going on. So I used to take care of myself. So personal care, so I got professional licensing because I'm still a licensed esthetician and I'm also a caretaker. So I have to put those in there so that when it's time for me to renew my licenses and, get my physicals and stuff like that done, I have that budget. I have that into my budget. Food, groceries, going out to eat, that's for that. Debt payments on my credit card, my personal loans. And then we got the miscellaneous. So any gifts, vacation, family time. I got my side hustle supplies because I really, well, I'm going to show y'all my tote bags in one of these videos that I make. But y'all got to see my tote bags. I think they're cute. And then down here we got the summary. So how much I made for the month, how much I decide to save, my expenses, my total debt payment. So that's what it's gonna be. That's my budgeting sheet. And I have it like that for every month. So this is January. So I'm a caretaker and it can be a little bit difficult because you're dealing with elderly and sometimes they pass away or they can't live in their home anymore and their family puts them into elder care. And so sometimes you're stuck waiting on a new client or you don't get the same amount of hours that you had. So it is for me imperative to do a budget. I learned that last year. Okay, I learned the hard way to get like I need to do this. I need to do this. I need to have my emergency fund. I need to have my 1 month of bills, especially Like these two are my most important envelopes, because if there become a time where I have no clients, how am I going to get paid? If I don't work, I don't get paid, right? So I need to have these two. And that's why this year is going to be an amazing year, but this year I have to really, truly work on budgeting. So like I said, it's like that for every month. February, same lady from the cover, and I changed the colors. Okay, personal care, transportation, housing expense, food, debt payments, miscellaneous, and then a summary so I know what's going out, what's coming in. Y'all saw my envelopes, and what I decided to do is designate a certain amount each check for my envelopes. So I have a goal that I set for each of my envelopes. I have a set amount that I want to save for my daughter, and she, like I said, she graduates 2025. So I'm going to keep putting in, even if I hit the goal for each of my envelopes, I'm still going to continue to put money in. So I designated a set amount for each check for the year for each of my envelopes. Oh my gosh, y'all, I cannot talk this morning. If y'all could still hear my voice, I'm a little bit I've been clearing my throat. My gosh. So it's morning. It's early morning. I'm still trying. I got up, I read my Bible. I did not do any workout or any yoga. Yesterday I did, but this morning I did not. But I'm grateful. I got up, I read my Bible. That was the most important thing for me this morning. Took my shower and decided to record. So y'all forgive me. Next video is gonna be a whole lot better with my. But yeah, this is my budgeting binder, y'all. This is my budgeting binder, my calendar, my expense sheet. And like I said, every month has a beautiful more fairy. That's what I call them. Every month has a beautiful more fairy on it. And I'm excited about it. Y'all stay tuned. And if you do not think that you can budget, I've seen a lot of people on YouTube, even with low income budgeting, whatever you can put into your envelopes, $5, something is better than, just thinking that you can't do it at all because you don't make enough money. You never know where the great divine is going to bring you to this year. And I say, better late than never. So this is my budgeting, getting it together, 2024. I have some of my tools necessary. I saw my bags. I'm going to be putting my loose cash into there. I have a designated amount for each check that I would like to put into my envelopes. Y'all see, I don't know if I showed y'all that. First check, second check, first check, second check. Okay, first check, second check. So that's what it is. Like for this one, I'm going to split it up because, I got bills to pay. So $30, I'm going to do first check 15, second check 15, and so on down. And just like this, I think this one that says 360 is going to be my personal savings. And I'm just going to keep putting money into it. Like I said, 360 might not be a lot. They were like, for personal savings, but as long as I keep going, it's fine for me. I got, like I said, my emergency and my 1 month bill. Those are my most important envelopes. But $30 every month, 15 first check, 15 second check. And that's what I am going to do. Got it written out. What is this here? Oh, this is the breakdown, okay, of the two. This is the breakdown of emergency and 1 month. So actually this right here, I'm gonna take this out of here. This right here is emergency fund plus 1 month bills. And that is combined what I need to take out first check, what I need to take out second check. No, actually, that's not the case. Y'all, my bad. Get it together. Okay. This is all of it combined. This is emergency fund. This is a 1 month bill. This is 2025 grad. And this is my personal savings. So we're going to put this over here. Y'all. Woof, share. So 130 first check, 130 second check. This is for January. So I need to take that out. For February, why do I have 250? 250. Oh, because I did it in half. So it's this side. 250 first check for February, 250 second check for February. This right here, Great Divine be with me for March. For March, first check says 320. The second check says 280. Great Divine be with me. Make a way. Cause baby, but we gonna speak positive. Positive, positive, positive. May the Great Divine bless your girl to be able to put this amount away, especially on the first check. Cause y'all already know first check, first of the month, bills, bills, bills. But God is good. Do you hear me? So y'all stay tuned for March video. Y'all stay tuned for the March video, honey. So that's what it is. This is what this is. This is the final sheet right here. All of my envelopes together, what I need to put in each month, first check, second check. So this is what I'm going to keep. This is my envelopes. I showed y'all that earlier. And I'm super excited to fill these, you guys. I'm super excited for this journey. I got my little boring calculator here. I'm gonna find a way to make this look like something cute. I decided to do color this year for 2025, right? I'm gonna show y'all my vision board too in another video because I'm creating that too. But I want to be colorful. I want to be bright. I want to be able to see it. I don't want too many dark things around me because then I'm not gonna look at it. It's dreary. 2024 is about color, life, living, and so that's what it is. Mine is my little bag right here, but I just like this print. That's why I decided to do that. So yeah, guys, bear with me, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Remember, if you don't feel like you will be able to budget, y'all, just say a prayer. Say a prayer. Ask the Great Divine to guide you on this journey. Any amount counts, okay? Do not speak negative on your situation. Do not speak negative on your situation. Speak positive on your situation. Manifest positivity in your life. And let's get this journey started. So I'm excited. Like I said, like, share, subscribe, y'all. Comment, hit the notifications bell. My bad on my voice, y'all. I'm out.